Are you ready to transform your client experience? With HighLevel, you can create branded dashboards that showcase your logo and colors. This unique approach positions you as a platform provider, elevating your agency's perception. Personalize dashboards effortlessly. Upload your logo, set a custom domain, and enable Google login for a seamless experience. Clients will log in through your branded portal, feeling connected to your brand. Empower clients with self-serve data. Branded dashboards enhance professionalism and trust, keeping key metrics like leads and appointments at their fingertips. This sticky user experience improves retention and facilitates scaling. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Log in or start your 14-day free trial today to see the difference.